dear students. So we are going to start a new chapter which is very interesting. Do you know what is that? That is acids, base and salts. Have you seen an acid or a base? Of course, in your day-to-day life you have seen a lot of acids and bases. See, here are some things. Here is a piece of Musambi. What is the taste of this? It is very sour, right? And what about this? This is a tomato. I have cut it into two pieces. Okay. And here are some more things. In this dish I have taken tamarind juice. Okay. And what is the taste of this? This is soap. Yes. And here is soap water. Okay. Soap powder I have mixed with water, or you can directly take some household cleaners or liquid soap, hand wash or anything like that. Okay. And here is some slaked lime. If I taste it, I'll be having a bitter taste. This is what is chunnambu, and it is calcium hydroxide, or you can take calcium oxide. Do you know what it is? Quick lime. You have heard about this quick lime. You may have it at your home. Kummayam. Have you heard about this? Yes. So all these are base, and we have seen some acids. Acids are sour in taste and bases are having bitter taste and it feels slippery. Okay. So, and what is this? This is salt water. I have just put some salt and I have poured some water in it, and I have diluted it. Okay. And here you can see some two colored papers. This is not just colored paper. Antacids, gelusilin. Have you heard about this? You may have taken it as a medicine. Is it? Yes. We will tell about this later. Let it be here. And see, in all these objects, some are sour and some are taste bitter. Is it? Some taste bitter and some are sour. What are the sour things? Yes, this Musambi it tastes sour, and even the tomato it tastes sour, and tamarind you know it is sour in taste. Okay, so such things which are having sour taste, they are called acids. Okay, they are called acids, and it comes from the word acere. Okay, acid comes from the word acere, that means sour. Okay, and I have told you some are soapy, like as I have taken soap powder, then it is mixed with water, and even though when I touch it I feel it's soapy or slippery. Okay, and if I taste it, I'm not going to taste it, but if I taste it I will feel some bitter taste in that. And even salt water, I have just put some salt and I have poured some water in it, and I have diluted it. Okay, here you can see two colored papers. One is with blue and the other one is with yellow. What it is not just the colored papers. I have made it. This is what is called indicators. I have made two natural indicators. As it is lockdown time, I am not getting any indicators, so I have made two natural indicators. What is the use of these indicators? We can test whether the substance is acid or base with this indicators. And what is this yellow color? Yellow color is turmeric. I have taken the paste of turmeric and I have pasted it in an A3 sheet. Okay, and I have kept it for drying. And what is this, you know? Have you heard about China rose or hibiscus flower? Yes, I have taken a hibiscus flower and I have just scrubbed that on a sheet of paper and I have kept it for drying. That is what is this. Okay, with these two indicators, or we can use the blue colored cabbage. No, that cabbage also we can use as a natural indicators. Okay, here I have got only these two. Okay, with this we will check whether these are acids or base. How we can check? The color of this litmus paper or the natural indicators changes with the acids, base and salt solution. Okay, let us see whether it is acid or base or salt solution. Okay, So first I am going to take this tamarind juice, okay, and I am going to dip this yellow colored paper, that is what is my indicator, with turmeric in this. I am going to dip this. So I dipped this yellow colored paper in this tamarind juice, and what is the color? Yes, the color of this paper is yellow itself. Let me keep it here, and I am going to take another sheet that is with hibiscus. What is the color? Yes, it is blue color. Let me dip in this. Is there any change in color? Yes, it turned to pink. As you can see here, this was the earlier color, and what is the color now? This turns to pink color now. Okay, I am keeping this. So what is the change of these indicators in the turmeric? That is tamarind. Tamarind is an acid, and this turmeric paper does not give any color change, and the hibiscus paper, which is my indicator, shown the pink color. Okay, let us check it with another one, another acid. Okay, yes, I am taking this citrus fruit. Okay, let me check it again. Yes, I have taken a turmeric mixed paper. Is there any color change? No, that remains yellow in color. I am keeping it here. Now I am taking this hibiscus. Let me see. I am just dipping it here. You can either take the juice of this also. Okay. Here, yes, there is a change in color, is it? So it becomes pink. So we can see that the hibiscus color, that means blue color, turns to pink color in acid. Okay. So what is the acid present in this? Any citrus fruit contains citric acid. So if you take lemon, orange or Mosambi, in that which acid will be the citric acid? Is it harmful to us? No, not all the acids are harmful to us. That's why we are drinking it. Yes, in tamarind juice I have taken. In this, what is the acid present? It is tartaric acid. What is the acid present in tamarind juice? It is tartaric acid. And here I have tomato. In tomato also there is an acid. Do you know that? Oxalic acid is present in tomato. What is the acid present? Oxalic acid is present in tomato. Let us check whether oxalic acid is present in here or not. Yes, I am taking. Yes, I am dipping it. No, there is no change in the color. Yellow color remains yellow itself, is it? And let me take this. There is a change in color. Okay, you can observe this in pink color. Okay, so what is the acid present in this? Yes, in this tomato, oxalic acid is present, and oxalic acid changes this indicator into pink color. Okay, so now let us check. This is either acid or base. I have said that it is a slaked lime, and in this what is present? What is the chemical name of slaked lime? It is calcium hydroxide. And whether, let us check whether calcium hydroxide is an acid or a base. What is the color? Yes, it turns to red color, is it? Yes, it turns to red. As you are seeing in the your dress and all, if you have some turmeric and all, what will be changing? If you are applying some soap, that color becomes red, is it? That same color has got here also. So that is base. Okay. And let me check it with this blue colored. I dip this blue colored indicator in this slaked lime. There will be a change in color. That means blue color changed to green. Okay, so in the base, as you have seen, this is a base, and yellow color changes to red color and blue color changes to green color. As I have said, this is calcium hydroxide is the base here, and in this soap water, what is the base? Here sodium carbonate is the base, and you are using in the kitchen baking soda or baking powder you are using. What it is? It is sodium bicarbonate, and that is also another base. Okay, you can have different bases in this, and here in the gelocillin it is also base. Okay, so let us verify it with another one. This is soap powder and I have added some water. Okay, I have made I am going to take this blue indicator. I am going to dip this in soap solution. Let us see whether there is any change in the solution or not. It should become green, is it? Yes, there is a change in color. That previous color has changed and it is slowly becoming green in color. As you can see, this color has been changed, is it? Yes, it is becoming green in color. Okay, I am going to check it with yellow indicator. Let me dip it in this. What you can observe? Yes, this yellow indicator changes to red. Okay, if I read this, the magnesium hydroxide is the base in this antacid, and in this is antacid. This is also an antacid. It is a mixture of aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. Okay, so if you have a carton of things, you can check whether it is having acid or base in that. Okay, and now let us check with the salt solution. Okay, I am going to dip this blue color in salt solution. Is there any color change? No. So blue remains blue itself, and let me check it with yellow color. Okay, yellow color remains yellow itself. So there is no change in the indicator color. That means blue remains blue itself and yellow remains yellow itself, as you can see here. Okay, so we can see that salt solution is neutral. So we can have three categories. One is acid, then the other one is base, and neutral solution is also there. Okay, understood what is acids, base and salts? Okay, and why we are using this gelocillin? When we are having acidity, we will be using this gelocillin. That is what is antacid. Antacid is using in the case of acidity. Why we are using antacid in the case of acidity? What is acidity means? Acidity means we will be having excess of acid produced in our body. Okay, then that excess of acids in the stomach will be neutralized with the base given. Okay, that is what is neutralization. So if you use a base, then that base will neutralize the excess of acid. Okay, that we will be discussing in the next class. We got with the acids, base and neutral solution. Hope you understood this. We have tested with both the indicators, that is turmeric and hibiscus. Okay, that are the indicators we have used. So hope you understood what are acids, what are bases and the neutral solution means. And we have learned two natural indicators, and you can prepare it at your home, these natural indicators. And there are other indicators like blue and red litmus is there. That there are other indicators also. I have tried with this turmeric and hibiscus, and there are some, these are natural indicators, and cabbage is also natural indicators, and we will be having blue and red litmus paper will be available, and the phenolphthalein indicators will be available, that is synthetic. Okay, indicators are also used whether the substance is acidic or whether the substance or the solution is acidic or not. We can use these, any of these. Okay, hope you understood this. All of you must try this. Okay, not with this, we have many more things available in your kitchen and all. Just check it out and try these activities. Okay, thank you.